This one tech repair mistake has probably cost me more time than any other. Make sure you always test your devices when you can before reassembly. You seriously don't want to learn this one the hard way. It will save you so much time. Imagine spending forever on a repair, finally thinking you're finished when you find out a cord wasn't plugged in all the way. Now, instead of just fixing it in 5 minutes, you're taking so much extra time disassembling. Because of that, every repair I do gets fully tested before I fully assemble it. It only takes 30 seconds to save you 30 minutes. What's one lesson you had to learn the hard way?